you ever been to accident scenes where victims of such accidents are stranded? Some of them are almost dying. Okay, now you don't even know how to reach out to the families of such people to inform them about their loved one who happen to be one of the victims of such accidents. Now in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to quickly reach out to families of such accident victims. Okay, but now this video also applies to you, so I'm going to show you how to set up your emergency contacts on your phone, just in case nobody can tell, you happen to be one of the victims of road accident or something like that that requires an emergency. Okay, so what do you do in such a case? That's what you're going to be learning in this tutorial. So how do you set up your emergency information? Turn your phone off, as in turn the phone off and turn it on again. All right, now if your phone is locked, it will appear this way, because some victims' phone might be locked. Okay, so if your phone is locked, it will appear this way. So all you have to do is at the top of these key buttons you are seeing here, at the top of it, just a little bit at the top of it, you see a button titled emergency call. When you click on it, you have this interface. Click on emergency information. I'm showing you how to set up your own. Then you click on tap again. Just click on the button again. All right, click on that pen icon at the top. This is how to set up your own emergency information. Okay, so over here on this interface, what you do next is to click on name, the first option that says name, which is owner. So the owner of the phone, which happens to be you, all right, who is trying to set up your emergency information. You click on that button name, and then you type in your name. Let me just say Faith. Let me just assume my name is Faith. Faith Atma. I'm just formulating a name. Faith Atma Davidson. So this is how you set up your own emergency information, especially if your phone is password locked. All right, so next is you click on add information, the button that says add information. So over here you can type in your address, your house address, that's the current address, your residential address where you live at the moment. You type it in. Okay, all you just have to do is click on the button address, then you type in your address. Okay, your residential address or your current address where you live at the moment. The next is your blood group. You can select your blood group. Okay, these informations are important just in case of an emergency. All right, so next is allergies. If you have any form of allergies, you type it in. Next is medications. If you're under medications, just type it in. Next is organ donor. Okay, you select the option. And the next is medical notes. You type it in wherever. All right. Next is you click on, look at this thing. It says adding medical information and emergency contacts can help first responders in an emergency. Anyone can read the information from your lock screen and dial your contacts by tapping their names without unlocking your phone. Can you see that? So it's necessary everybody do this. You that is watching this video now, it's necessary you do this. Okay, just in case of emergencies, which you can never tell, because this thing will help them to reach out to your loved ones. All right, and get them informed. So now you click on add contact. Okay, and it will take you straight to your contact, straight to your phone book. Okay, and you select a few contacts, like your members of a family, or or a trusted friend, or your spouse, whatever. Okay, you can select as many contacts as possible, but I just selected only 2 for the purpose of this tutorial. I selected only 2. Then you just click on the back button. All right, and it's done. So I've set off my profile regarding my emergency information, and this is how you do yours too. All right, so you go back again. All right, so you lock your phone screen. When you lock it, you press the power button. Okay, and then you swipe up. When you swipe up, and just try to I'm just assuming now that somebody picked up your phone in an emergency case and the person couldn't, open your phone because it's password locked. All the person need to do is to click on emergency call button and click on that emergency button again. So the next interface that will show is this, your information. The name of the owner of the phone is Faith Atma Davidson, okay? Then the emergency contact that Faith Atma Davidson added are as follows. 1, 2. I have only 2 in the case for the purpose of this tutorial, okay? But in your own case, you can add as many as possible. So the person who picked up your phone to reach out to your loved ones, all right, we now see all the contact over there, okay? So now if you want to, let's say you want to clear your emergency information, okay, all you have to do is you click on that pen icon at the top and you come over here. You see this three dot, this three vertical dot. You click on it. Once you click on it, you will see clear all. Clear all. So all you just have to do is to click on clear all and you clear all your informations. I'm just assuming, let's say you want to change it. I hope this tutorial helps, okay? So you can rewatch it again.